Jesse, you gotta stay up here and lift your moving stuff. Oh, maybe it's moving out of the way.
Alright, down? Down. Oh, yeah, that's great. That's good.
Jesse, you gonna stay on the steps?
Oh, we're gonna stand it on our This is the top, so we need to swing your end that way. The top. Yeah, that's the other. Slide it this way about 6 feet, and then we'll turn that end.
Hey Jessica, what do you think of that? Are you in the window?
Oh, so